morning, Silla Wolves. Welcome to Wolf TV, a production of Silla Broadcasting Network.
Buenos días, Silla family.
I am Zanaya.
And yo soy Bruno.
Happy Thursday, May 11th.
Please stand for a pledge of allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, and liberty and justice for all. Now back to our...
Now for the weather.
Good morning, Silla Wolves. Today's Silla Wolves, it's 66 degrees, and right now, it's 66 degrees right now and partly cloudy. This afternoon, it will be 80 degrees and partly cloudy. Now back to our host.
Let's see what Mr. Ryan and the cafeteria staff planned for lunch today.
Today's lunch menu is chicken sandwich, pinto beans, baked potato wedges, and a variety of fruits. Now back to our host.
Have you noticed sometimes the faucets in the bathroom don't turn off automatically?
Yeah, I noticed that too. We have a video to show you how to turn off the faucet when it doesn't turn off automatically.
Sometimes the faucets don't stop. The way to help the faucet stop is when you finish washing your hands, pull this up, and then it stops. What happens is this gets stuck, so you have to pull it up to make it stop.
We have an important media center announcement.
Tomorrow is the last day to check out books.
Now for birthday celebrations.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday.
Good morning, Silla Wolves. We are so sorry that we missed you yesterday. So today we're going to be celebrating birthday announcements for yesterday and today. 1 second, please.
Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Sorry for the technical difficulties. Please, 1 moment, please. All right. Yesterday we had one birthday. Yesterday it was Xavion's birthday.
Happy birthday.
In Xavion in 6th grade. And today we have Scarlett in 6th grade. And we have Tristan in 2nd grade. Happy birthday, guys.
Happy birthday! Today's positive affirmation is,
You are accepted for who you are.
today is 8th day in middle school.
I am Zanaya.
And yo soy Bruno. See you later, alligators.
Adios!